Yo, what the heck is Ramdon?
I don't understand. What's random?
Not random, Ramdon. Just come watch this. Oh, Parasite, the Korean film by Bong Joon-ho that won Best Picture. Its themes speak directly to the crisis we see happening right now around the world. Okay. What's Ramdon? Oh, a teachable moment. Let's grab a few things and I'll show you how to cook Ramdon the make easy way. Ramdon is a Korean saucy noodle dish, quick and easy to make. One might even say is the Korean KD. Before the movie, Ramdon was actually called japaguri, which comes from japaghetti and noguri instant noodles, or japaguri, or ramen and udon noodles, Ramdon. You can also add some steak. This was a funny part in the movie because it would be the equivalent of cutting up a nice T-bone into your KD. First, let's boil 2.5 to 3 cups of water in a kettle. We're gonna show you an easier way of doing this dish. Check out Make Easy's tip on how to do instant noodles faster. While we wait for the kettle, let's get the noodles ready. When you open up the packages, you'll find a veggie mix for the noodles and some oil and soup base that will make up the sauce. And here we have another vegetable mix and soup base. Grab a pot and add both the noodles and vegetable mix. When the kettle is ready, pour the water over the noodles. Cover and let it sit for 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, the noodles will be soft enough to separate. Mix around thoroughly and then cover again. Now let's prep the meat. Get a non-stick pan. I would add some oil still. Medium-high heat. Cut up your steak into cubes. Salt and pepper. Cook the steak to your liking. When the steak is cooked, turn off the heat. Transfer your now done noodles into the pan. No need to drain. The water on the noodles is needed for the sauce. Save some of the water. Now add the oil and both soup bases. I think I should mention that the noguri powder is really spicy. Add a little bit more water, then mix thoroughly. Notice it's more of a sticky sauce than a soupy sauce. To finish it off, you can add some sweet corn or peas. There you have it, Ramdon the Make Easy way. I think my housemate will like it. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. You are welcome. Before I enjoy this tasty dish, let me know down below how you like the movie Parasite. Also, I want to give a shout out to my flatmate, Mr. Kwan, for showing us how to make Ramdon. Thanks guys for watching. We'd appreciate your support by hitting the subscribe button down below. Stay well everybody, and until next time, bon appetit!